Today I checked out in Midjourney the Art Nouveau style. I hope this is pronounced correctly because I checked it on Google Translate. So this was a movement back in the days. Art Nouveau is mostly consists of organic shapes and curvy lines inspired from the nature, like flowers or plants. So this is a process of stylization of the flowers or leaves, and it is dressed up with thicker black strokes and it's rich in colors. Alright, so let's take a look how this thing looks in practice. So we got a portrait of a beautiful model and then Art Nouveau, AR 2x3. This is Midjourney 5. As you can see, the stroke lines are highlighted pretty nicely. Flower decorations everywhere. We got this classic model going on. We also got Art Nouveau butterfly. Came out gorgeous. And I also tried out with letters. We got letter M decorated in Art Nouveau flower. It did a pretty decent job, but I also gonna show you way better options. Yeah, we got Art Nouveau cityscape too. It brings back the industrial age pretty nicely. Then I also tried out Art Nouveau robot with Midjourney 4. And check this out, now we got robot by Alfonso Mucha, and this is done in Midjourney 5. So you can see here we got way more details. The photo is even more clear and crisp. We got portrait of a fashion model by Alfonso Mucha. It's not a fashion model, but it keeps bringing these classic models from back in the days with a red head. So this is basically a specific style that Alfonso Mucha used to do. And you can see in Midjourney 5 how crisp they look. And if you add the prompt with Alfonso Mucha instead of Art Nouveau, this brings even better results rather than typing in Art Nouveau. Check this out, we got Porsche 911 Carrera by Alfonso Mucho, AR 3x2, makes it cartoony looking with a lot of flowers. For this one, interesting decorations. Then I tried out beautiful flower by Alfonso Mucho, line tile. So these were the correct answers. Check this out how detailed these look. And I also try letter M by Alfonso Mucho, and look at that, this brings even crazier results. It mixes up models with the letters and all sort of floral decorations. So mainly this is it with the prompts. Thanks for watching.